There's an AI tool out there that feels so powerful, it's like having a cheat code for real life. And no, it's completely legal. If you've ever wanted to write perfect essays, design professional logos, or automate your workday like a pro, you need to see this. Why it feels illegal. Imagine typing in your topic and instantly getting not only answers but citations, summaries, and full research links at your fingertips. Perplexity doesn't just give you information, it delivers solutions on a silver platter. It's like having a research assistant who works 24/7 without coffee breaks. Instead of spending hours clicking through different tabs, Perplexity hands you everything in one click. I was writing a proposal and needed 5 facts fast. Perplexity got me what I needed in 60 seconds. Here's where things get even crazier. Perplexity has a follow-up conversation mode that remembers your past queries. You can build an entire research session without retyping anything. Can you imagine how much time you could save with this tool? Let me know what you'd use it for in the comments. Also, hit that like button if you've ever felt stuck researching something online. It really helps the channel.